birth number is 4 and you're born on any of these dates, and listen up, because 2026 is bringing you the slow but steady growth. Yes, if there has been any work which is not getting fulfilled from past 2 to 3 years, now you will see things happening for you. You will see the things moving for you. You will get new opportunities, especially in your career and related to your finances, because 2026 is establishing a route for your long term success. Yes, this is not the year for you to get lazy. The better you are in routine, the more success you will see in your life. You can also expect some property dealing, relocating, also traveling will be included. Work travels could be a lot in this year, so make sure you also take care of your health and to involve yourself in some physical activity or meditation to not get confused while juggling between different responsibilities, because 2026 is helping you to understand how to loosen up, at the same time how to balance your personal and professional life. If your birth number is 5 and you are born on any of these days, asking you to break your own limitations. This is the year when you can expect the big changes happening. Yes, if you want to relocate, very much possible. If you want to settle in abroad or apply for visa, very good year for do that too. This is the time when you are asked to find clarity within yourself and cut down the noise that is creating confusion around you. This is the time when things will pace up for you. You can find new career opportunities. At the same time, you can use networking to find help from outside, because that can really help you to boost in your career. This is also the time when you can unexpectedly make new connections in your life, which can help you to either choose a new direction altogether or something that is unexpected but can become a blessing in your life. So I would say expect the unexpected in 2026, but make sure that you listen to your intuition. This is the year of breakthrough your own limitations. If your birth number is 6 or you are born on any of these dates, and 2026 is bringing you emotional happiness in your relationships, also the alignment if you have been feeling falling out in your relationships. This is the time when you may end up meeting somebody potential for marriage or long-term commitment. This is also the time when you are going to heal your wounds. Yes, if you have faced disappointments, especially emotionally in past, this is the time which will help you to understand what you truly desire and what you should go for. So make sure you listen to your intuition. This is also a great time to invest in something that can help you upgrade your own self. This could be related to fitness, beauty, or anything that makes you feel empowered. So yes, 2026 is all about you focusing on yourself, your family, your love life. It is bringing a special focus on personal